Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my shining stars. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. My dear students, today we are going to do review exercise, review 1. So please open your textbook page number 48 and keep your accessories with you. But question number 1 is consult a thesaurus to find the synonyms of the following words. But words are given here, you will use dictionary to find out the synonyms of these words and you will write in the given space. First word is straight and the synonyms are lane, way for traffic, market, shopping center, bazaar, boy, child, lad, beat, hit, strike, pain, etchy, suffering. Part B is beta, look up the meaning of the following words in dictionary and use these in sentences. Some words are given here beta, you will make sentences of these words and you will write these sentences on your notebook. First word is ample. This hall is ample. Ample means broad, khula, vasi. This hall is ample. Batch. The batch of students participated in singing. Passion. Sing national anthem with spirit and passion. Rebate. This is rebate of your loan. Plenty. There are plenty of mangoes in the orchard. Next is beta part C. Read the following and underline the pronouns. Beta sentences are given here. You will underline the pronoun in each sentence. First sentence is birds build their nest in trees. You will underline there. Shahid has lost his watch and cannot find it. You will underline his and it. The horse fell down and broke its leg. You will underline its. Rabia, you are lazy girl. You will underline you. Aslam brought his book and laid it on the desk. You will underline his and it. Next is beta page number 49. Make questions of the following sentences. Some sentences are given here. You will make sentences of these. Make questions of these sentences. He is running in the playground. Where is he running? They are sitting in the examination hall. Where are they sitting? He is watching television. What is he watching? She is writing a letter to her uncle. To whom is she writing a letter? They are going to market for shopping. Why are they going to market? You will make questions of these sentences. Next is beta separate regular and irregular verbs from the given list and put them in relevant column. Word bank is given here. There are many regular and irregular verbs. You will choose the correct one and write in the relevant box. But regular verbs are those verbs in which we add ed or t in second and third form, like play, played, played. We just add ed, the base is same, but in irregular verbs the second and third form is totally different, like buy, bought, bought. We are not adding ed or t in the end of the word. Attain is a regular verb, help is a regular verb, play, invite. These are the regular verbs. Buy, cut, keep, take, these are irregular verbs. Punctuate the following sentences beta. You will punctuate these sentences. Alas, we have lost the match. Alas, A will be capital. After alas, you will put exclamation mark and W of we will be capital, and at the end you will put full stop. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. I will be capital of Islamabad and Pakistan. P will be capital, and at the end you will put full stop. Hey Hina, stop. Hey H will be capital, exclamation mark. Hina H will be capital, and at the end you will put full stop. I will come back at 7 o'clock in the evening. I will be capital, and at the end you will put full stop. My email address is cgrs@yahoo.com. M of my will be capital, email E will be capital, and Yahoo. After Yahoo you will put full stop, and at the end you will put full stop. Come on next page beta, fill in the blanks with linking verbs from the given list. You already you know very well about the linking verbs, so you will choose the correct option from the list and you will fill the blanks. The food tastes delicious. They always prove to be the best debaters. Bilal looks quiet. My neighbors sound very angry. My sister keeps her books safe. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition. Preposition are the words which join the sentences and tell the position of the things, like where the things are, what is the position of the things. The moon revolves around the earth. A fair little boy sat under a tree. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. She is afraid of the dog. It has been raining since yesterday. I left him behind. Next is beta separate countable and uncountable nouns from the given list and put them in relevant column. Countable nouns are the nouns which we can count, like books, chairs, boys, and uncountable are those which we cannot count, like sugar, rice, juice, oil, etc. So choose the correct one and write in the relevant box. Rupees, pens, pencil and cup, these are regular countable nouns. Sugar, salt, tea and water are uncountable nouns. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. Again, words are given here, you will fill the blanks. You should always fulfill your promise. Go and bring a glass of water for me. He was playing hockey in the playground. You should not pain on others. We must help the person whose life is in danger. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs of frequency from the given list. But adverb of frequency tells us about the that how many times the action is happening. कोई काम कितनी दफ़ा हो रहा है, उसको हम उसके लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. लाइक सम टाइम हो रहा है, डेली बेसिस पे हो रहा है, रेगुलरली हो रहा है, ट्वाइस अ डे हो रहा है. तो कोई काम कितनी दफ़ा हो रहा है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बताता है ये. द पोस्टमैन कॉल्ड सम टाइम. दे यूजुअली कम टू सी अस. शी ऑलवेज ट्राइज टू डू हर बेस्ट. द ट्रेन नेवर अराइव्स लेट. आई ऑफन सी हिम. Complete the following sentences by filling in a, an or the may be suitable. He can play a flute. Copper is a useful metal. He is a European. His father is an STO. My brother is in the army. They run an NGO. Next is beta paragraph. You have already done these paragraphs. Next is reading and thinking skill, unseen passage. You will get an unseen passage and find out the answers of this question. You will do practice of it. Oral communication skill, again you will practice a dialogue at your home and with your siblings, with your friends, and at school you can do practice of it. This is all about today beta. Take care and Allah Hafiz.